Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Today's Canva quick tip is the app Character Builder. Fun one to use, so let's pop across to my Canva account and we'll take a look at just how you use it. As I've covered in previous videos, you can find your apps by either going to the tab on your homepage where it says Discover Apps and down on the left, or you can just open up any design shape and then you'll find it on the left under More. And here's the Character Builder, this pale yellow one. You may have to scroll down to find it if you're using it for the first time, but obviously I tested it before, so it's coming up on my Create Something New area. I'm going to click on Character Builder. These are really fun and simple characters to make. And you can see you have different options here. So you have heads, faces, bodies, skin tones, and hair color. And then once you've actually done these, you can either use them in your designs or you can download them, so you'll have your character forever. If I click See All on the heads, you can see it tends to be boys and girls, different hairstyles and different color hair. And let's start with the body. You can see there are different positions and different motions. So you've got running, you've got sitting, you've got cross-legged. And these all tend to be little children, so they're really quite cute. And I'm going to do this one waving. And they've actually automatically put a head on for me. But we will go back and go to all the heads, and we could add a different one. So I'm going to do this little gingery one. Let's still come up with dark hair. Go back again, and this is where I can change the hair color and the skin tone. If I wanted to make her more pretty brown, you can see that's almost like a chestnut color, different color there, or a blonde. I can also change the shape of my little girl's face, and I can make her sad or amazed, and let's see all the options. Big grin, not quite sure I like that one. Angry face. Let's go back to a nice smiling face. I'll go back again. And then I can change the skin tone if I want as well. So I can make her look much paler, a little darker, dark brown, or black. Looks a bit weird with blonde hair. So let's change the skin tone, sort of mid-tone, so she'll show up a little bit better for you. One thing I have found is that you can't use the back button in these. While you can keep changing the image and how you've got the image and say what the hairstyle is, you can't actually go back. So I could change the hairstyle to this one, but I can't undo it. Obviously, I can just keep switching them around, so it's not such an issue, but I just thought I'd show you how easy that is to do. I quite like that hairstyle. And again, by going back, I can change the hair color. But there we have a little girl. As I said, you can change the body and they have wheelchair options. We'll go back to my little girl waving. And when you finish designing, you can just click done. And now I have the option of editing the image. So I can move it around, I can make it slightly larger. I could animate it. So we go to pop and we go to zoom. I can crop it. If I want, I can take out some of this space at the bottom. It's very easy to do. And now if I want to download her, all I have to do is click download. And I'm going to, as I have a pro account, I'm going to download her with a transparent background, and then I can use her on any other image I want. So it's a PNG, and with a click with a transparent background. One of the really good reasons for having a pro account is that you can have transparent backgrounds, and then I just need to download her. And that's how easy it is to use Character Builder. A very simple, quick tip. Hope that helps, and see you next week.